Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Smith in the Black Quantity VTF here, T3 Live with this week's market wrap up. And the week that was, SPY goes into the new highs. And so you can see real grindy right here. So you got that. So the story was really more of Dow Jones Diamonds. Bam. Did we know about that? We did. I talked about it last Friday. The 3-2. Outside weaker to the upside. Boom. Dow Jones was the powerhouse where we wanted to be because we know Q's doing nothing. So Q's 2-week inside pattern. Next week is exhaustion week, which means it's the end of the month. So at this point, we're going to have a lot of inside months, and QQQ is certainly going to be one of them. XRT retail, a whole bunch of inside months. So we'll be getting to that next week. Story of the week certainly was the weed, TLRY and stuff like that. And so TLRY, here you go. And so it spikes up, and then here what you have: the 2 up, the inside 2-1-2 reversal below 158. Let her puke, and I know it's hard to borrow for some folks or stuff like that, but it's important to be able to see this stuff on everything because there's only 3 types of reversals, and one of them is this one: 2 in one direction, 1 inside bar down, puke right there. There was your inside 30 TLRY. So whole lots of fun over there. We'll see what's left. Had some during the week here, had some nice ones in the other way you can reverse is go 3, which means take out one side of the range, then take out the other side. And then once the thing about it is what that means is you're expanding the range on both sides. Now you just ran out of time, right? So as far as we know, when you get outside of this, you could still be expanding. And so here you go, 3-2 down Northrop Grumman, crush, triple L wipeout here. And then once it gets down in here, all right, takes the whole triangle out, then it can come back up, and you'll see this here in the 60. Can you reverse? 2, 1, 2 reversal back up. You get them on both sides for that stuff. Lots of fun over there. NBEV, another shenanigan name, going up and ripping and having all sorts of fun. And that was in the Wheels in Motion show. We knew about that because the inside weaken up down into here. And then once it starts to get ridiculous, you come in this morning. Let's go the other way. 2, 1, 2, inside bar, reversal 15, boom, down. So that was real nice too. We had awesome, this thing cruising, AWSM ripper, and so a lot of shenanigan stocks. And you can see here this 15, 2, 1, 2, 15. Then the Rev Strat, because this is an inside bar, 2, 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2 Rev Strat inside bar. So that's how you get in on stuff like that. Alt was another good shenaniganer this week. So lots of that kind of fun. Not everybody's into that stuff, but we are, because I know what to do. It was really nice here on that opening here. It closed as Rev Strat 60 and then just boom, exploded, and that was the big move over there. We got a little bit financials trying to push up a little bit here this week. So we had at least that one day here and then one day follow through, but we'll see how that goes. FAS, XLF has been real dry, and then you finally get this little move that, it looks like a huge move and it feels like one, but in general, still, kind of Lilliputian. But there were some nice moves in there. Even got some of the Urals, the old Riggy, waking up off the inside week, right? Not dead yet. So there's stuff like that. And then at the end of the day today was real nice. Amazon. Talk about we're looking for those 3-2 continuations, and on the 15-minute, when you got a Friday and you got options expiring soon, here 3-2 right here, 3-2 on the Amazon comes into here, and even if you miss that, you can go to something like this, inside 5-minute right here. Right, you take that inside 5, no higher high, boom, just let it puke, and then you get some nice cheapo options. So because what that was doing is one of the things that we know happens is bars go outside. So if you take out one side and start coming back to the other, you're looking to take that out, which Amazon did. Google did it too. Here, back into the try she goes. So once you start getting into here, you look for those continuations because we know that exists, right? So, and then you get the expansions like you do in the Northrop Grumman. We got that 3-2 down in burritos today for some more, little DRI. And so you can continue to look for stuff like that. Motorola on the daily, once again, 2, 1, 2, and back up reversal, right? And so that's really all you got to know. This does this stuff, right? Lab Boo, once again, goes like this. And then on the 30, if you go like this, you wait for the 2 corrective action. You see this? 2 back. This is 2 back up, 2 up, and then the 2 back down right here. 2-2 reversal. 2 down, 2 up, 2 back down right here, reversal back into that outside bar, continuation. So a few ideas on how to get through that good old stuff. But like I said, we got exhaustion week. We're running out of time. There's going to be a lot of inside months. A lot of things hit new highs, but we're still a divergent market, and we still got some question marks with the financials and the oils and stuff like that coming into October, and we got the Qs almost for sure going inside month, and that should make it interesting here. Because what is it? Is it a 2-1-2 reversal or continuation? We're going to find out next month. All right, that's going to do it for this week. I'm Russ with the In the Black Quantity GTF here at T3 Live with this week's market wrap-up. Hope you all had a great week. Have an even better weekend. Remember to join me Monday through Thursday at 12:30 Eastern Time on Facebook for the T3 Live Facebook for the halftime show where I talk about all this stuff. And, of course, on Tuesdays, 1 hour after the close, I do the Wheels in Motion show, and that's on the Facebook, YouTube, and I talk about a lot of these signals that we just saw play out right now. All right, that's going to do it. Everybody have a great weekend. I'm Russ with the Black Quantity VTF with this week's market wrap-up.